Best deals.
1. Sinks Organizer. Made of stainless steel material, waterproof, rustproof and having good durability. Drain hole design. Sloped base allows water to drain out of sight to keep the dish soap dispenser dry. The detachable base is easy to remove and clean, keep the utensils and countertop dry. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Wrap dispenser. Durable and eco-friendly bamboo body adds elegance and sustainability to your kitchen. Perfect for aluminum foil, cling film, or butter paper rolls up to standard size. Space-saving design fits seamlessly in kitchen drawers or mounts easily on the wall. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Silicone stretch lids. Because they are stretchable materials, food lids are easy to fit into most bowls, jars, containers, cups, mugs, cans, jars, and you can even use them to cover your half-cut melon or watermelon. The silicone stretch cover lids will reduce your plastic waste and help you save money, since you will no longer need to buy cellophane to cover your leftover food fresh. Plus, the bowl lid does a much better job at keeping your food fresh. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Tea infuser. With a large capacity basket allows leaves to expand completely, releasing their full flavor without murkiness. Tea infusers for loose tea can hold more loose tea than normal tea ball. The loose tea holder with a small package is convenient for travel. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Chopping board. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring exceptional durability and resistance to rust. This steel chopping board for kitchen is built to withstand heavy-duty use, making it a long-lasting and reliable addition to your kitchen. Board is non-porous, preventing the absorption of odors. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Oil dispenser bottle. Compact and space-saving, yet holds ample oil for daily cooking, grilling, or baking needs. Reusable and transparent, made from clear glass with a food-grade PP cap and a silicone basting brush, this olive oil dispenser is eco-friendly, durable, and safe for everyday use. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Oil spreader. Can be used to apply oil on a tawa for cooking dosa, roti, and eggs, among other things. Wooden oil dispenser brush made of quality wood with cotton cloth, unbreakable and long-lasting. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Basket. Tool is very convenient for washing vegetables, fruits, dishes or any kitchen items, also very convenient for draining. Easy to clean, can be wiped with a soft cloth. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Dustbin. Designed handle to pull out inside basket for cleaning, lightweight, easy to lift handle. Handle serves as a laid support when you want an open type dustbin, enhances the appearance of your room and allows you to keep surroundings clean and hygienic. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Paper cup dispenser. Designed with pull type, and it can easily be taken out one by one without wasting. It is convenient for you to take them out one by one as well. This pull-type cup holder is made of non-polluting PS and HIPS material. It is environmentally friendly, healthy, and durable, and can be used for a long time. Mount on a smooth and polished surface like ceramic tile, glass and mirror. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Tongs. Designed to keep your hands away from the heat while grilling, smoking, or deep frying. These superior tongs are also ideal for securely holding food while slicing or turning meats in the pan. Even serving pasta becomes a breeze. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Paneer maker. Features a user-friendly lid and base design for easy assembly and cleaning. Dishwasher safe for added convenience. Efficient design allows you to drain excess liquid effortlessly, leaving perfectly pressed and compact paneer or tofu. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Peeler. Made from the highest quality stainless steel with razor-sharp blades and an anti-cut design. Peels smoothly, quickly, and safely. Perfect for peeling potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, sweet potatoes, and more. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Egg holder. Each egg organizer for refrigerator has bayonets, which can be stacked multiple times without slipping, making full use of the refrigerator space, and easy to open to load eggs, easy to clean. Egg tray for refrigerators are made of food-grade plastic. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cleaning brush. Made of double brush head, built-in blade sharpener and extended protective handle, reusable, which can ensure efficient cleaning and safety. It is a perfect accessory for kitchen space. Knife brush comes with a blade sharpener. Just place the blade mouth inside the sharpener to operate. It won't take a long time to get a new sharp knife. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Infuser. Made of durable stainless steel, which is non-toxic and harmless, and can be used with confidence. Tea diffuser ensures a long service life, ensuring long-term use and maintaining the purity of tea. Fine mesh design enables optimal tea diffusion without residue. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Dish drying mat. Made from rubber, these mats are highly resistant to water and heat, making them ideal for use in the kitchen. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Rice spoon. Made from high-quality silicone and beech wood for durability and long-lasting use. Effortlessly scoops rice and other foods without sticking. Comfortable beech wood handle for a secure grip. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Kitchen mat. Ideal for shelf, drawer, kitchen table, bathroom and fridge. Textured surface prevents items from skidding. Enhances the visual appeal of storage spaces. Waterproof and easy to clean, shields surfaces from spills and stains, easy wipe clean maintenance. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Marble chakla. Flat and smooth surface, doesn't move while rolling balan, hassle-free cleaning and maintenance for convenience in your culinary routine. Smooth and flat surface perfect for effortless dough rolling and ingredient kneading. Exquisite veining patterns that add a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Grater. The coarse side is perfect for hard vegetables, hard cheese, and chocolate, while the fine side is ideal for softer foods. The large grating surface makes this kitchen grater incredibly practical and versatile. The coarse side of the grater produces coarse shreds, and the fine side creates fine shreds. It's a great choice for grating cheese or vegetables. You can even make purees from soft vegetables like tomatoes or fruits like bananas or peaches. Grate them as finely as possible with this kitchen grater. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Egg slicer. Stainless steel wires as a cutter, which is more durable to use, resists rust and corrosion. Product link is given in the 22nd link.